Welcome back to the channel, basketball fans. It's time for the NBA's top 10 plays of the night for November 20th, 2024. Buckle up for dunks, dimes, and jaw-dropping moments that'll leave you replaying these highlights all day long. Let's jump right in. At number 10, we head to the Garden, where Jalen Brunson delivers a ridiculous behind-the-back assist to Mitchell Robinson for the thunderous slam. New York's chemistry is on full display tonight. Coming in at number 9, we've got Ja Morant doing what he does best, soaring over the defense for a one-handed alley-oop finish. Ja's hang time is just unfair. Number 8 takes us to LA, where Anthony Davis denies a game-tying layup with a massive chase-down block. Defense wins championships, and AD proves why he's still one of the league's best rim protectors. At 7, it's a 4-point play to remember. Stephen Curry drains a contested corner 3 while drawing the foul, then celebrates with his signature shimmy. Vintage Steph magic. At number 6, check out Bogdan Bogdanovic with a no-look bounce pass through traffic, setting up Clint Capela for monster dunk. The Hawks' ball movement is pure art. Halfway through at number 5, we've got Victor Wembanyama. The rookie sensation hits a turnaround fadeaway over 2 defenders. This kid is 7'4", with guard skills. How do you stop that? At number 4, Giannis Antetokounmpo goes coast to coast with 3 dribbles and slams it home over 2 defenders. The Greek freak is an unstoppable freight train. Coming in at number 3, Kevin Durant hits a buzzer-beating step-back 3-pointer to win the game for the Suns. KD delivers ice-cold clutch moments once again. At number 2, it's Zion Williamson with a poster dunk that might have broken the rim. He takes off from the free throw line and throws it down with authority. Get out of his way. And for the number 1 play of the night, Luka Doncic. Luka sends the crowd into a frenzy with a jaw-dropping, between-the-legs pass on a fast break, setting up Kyrie Irving for the windmill dunk. Absolute wizardry from Luka Magic. And there you have it, NBA's top 10 plays of the night for November 20th, 2024. Which play was your favorite? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more daily NBA highlights. We'll catch you in the next one.